The Major League Fishing Fisheries Management Division, in partnership with Berkley Labs, conducted a Minn Kota habitat restoration project supported by Berkley Labs this past Saturday, June the 4th, on Lake Chickamagua at Dayton Boat Dock Marina. Lots of our Bass Pro Tour guys, Casey Ashley, Josh Bertrand, Brent Chapman, Roy Hawk, Skeet, Reese, Kelly Jordan were there. We had some Major League Fishing Bass Pro Tour officials, members of the Union Sportsmen's Alliance, and experts from Tennessee Wildlife Resource Agency and Aqua Services taking part in this project, Marty. And trying to give back to the sport, our biologist Stephen Barden and our Major League Fishing Hall of Famer co-founder Gary Klein, working to improve the life of bass for generations through research, education, fisheries enhancement, and fish care. And this is just one of those projects.
Yeah, one of the biggest things that biologists all over the country fight is the siltation of these creeks and also the loss of habitat. With these MossBack structures that we're placing in these lakes, they're never going to deteriorate. They're made out of PVC pipe, and they put them in some key spawning locations and also areas where the TWRA, they have been restocking these Florida strain bass, at least on Chickamagua, since year 2000. So it's going to give these fingerlings a better chance to survive. The key is we're leaving it better than we found it. And when you can do that, that's a great thing.
Half the structures were deployed Saturday at Richland Creek. The remainder will be deployed at a later date in Grasshopper Creek. Major League Fishing Fisheries Management Division, in partnership with Berkley Labs and the Minn Kota Habitat Restoration Project, supported by Berkley Labs, this past Saturday at Lake Chickamauga at Dayton Boat Dock Marina.